First, we want to start up the TerraTrash program and open up your existing database. From the main menu, select the Customers icon. Alternatively, if you'd like to use the toolbar at the top of your screen instead, simply go to Add Maintain, then select Customers from the drop-down list. The window that pops up is called the Customer Master, and this is where all the information for your customers will be entered and stored for reference. You can use the lookup field in the top right to find your existing accounts, which you should only have at this point if you've already created some test customers or if this is a pre-existing database. You can search for customers by account number, name, street, phone, and invoice numbers. If you click on the Advanced Search button, which is this binoculars icon, you can search with a couple more options. You can edit a customer at any time by bringing them up on the screen, double-clicking on the name, changing any of the fields, then clicking on the Save button. To create a new account, click on the New button. You can see we can either add a sub-account to this account we have selected, or add a brand new billing account, called the Control account, from the screen. Let's choose Yes for Add New Billing Account. First, choose the billing group for this customer at the top left corner. You'll see that the account number and the control number fill in automatically. The control number and account number will always be the same until you get into sub-accounts, which are accounts with multiple billing addresses. The control number will always be the master account, and the account number can be a master or a sub-account. Now go ahead and fill out the site name and address of this account. Once you've filled out the site address, go ahead and click on the Billing Address button. You'll notice that everything carries over from the site address. This saves you a lot of typing if the address is the same for the billing and the site. If the billing address is different, you can change it at this time. Over here on the right, you can change the status of your customer. Active accounts will receive recurring charges and will receive statements and invoices. Bad debt can be selected for a customer that you'd like to cut off. Customers set to this option will receive no recurring charges, late fees, statements, or invoices. The deleted selection won't actually delete the customer, but will mark the customer as deleted if you don't want to delete them right away. Keep in mind, when you delete an account, they're gone for good. Choose the Inactive option for a customer that is no longer receiving services from you, but you still want to keep them on file. A customer marked as inactive or stopped will no longer receive recurring charges, but statements, invoices, and late fees can still be run for this customer. For tax, you can select the default tax group for this customer if you have to charge this customer tax. Email is optional, or you can enter in an email address if they have one. The notes you enter in here won't actually print out anywhere, so this field is only for reference. However, anything typed in the route instructions field will print out on a route list for this customer. If route exception is checked, the customer will not show up on the route list. After the top portion of the screen is entered in, click on Save. Your customer is now saved. Now we need to complete the other tabs at the bottom of the screen.